Hello and welcome to Faith AI, one Christian creator platform that helps run your entire ministry and faith-based business. Faith AI is the first ever AI-powered operating system that helps you create sermons, devotionals, Bible studies, prayers, and more, while also helping you build your faith website, sell digital products, and earn affiliate commissions from one simple dashboard. Now let's log in and take a look inside. Here we are inside the Faith AI dashboard. As you can see, everything is organized in one clean and simple place. From here, you can access AI Faith Studio, DFY Library, Site Builder, Manage Products, Amazon Affiliate Tools, and My Store. Let's start with AI Faith Studio. This is where you can create Christian content in just a few clicks, including sermons, devotionals, Bible studies, prayers, newsletters, worship songs, story visuals, Christian videos, reel scripts, and even complete Christian books. Now let's create a devotional. I'm going to enter a topic like create a 7-day devotional series about trusting God in difficult seasons. Now I'll click Generate. And within seconds, Faith AI creates a devotional series you can use for your blog, newsletter, social media, church group, or personal ministry content. Next, let's create a sermon. I'll type, create a sermon outline on Philippians 4:13 for a Sunday service. Then I'll click Generate, and there you go. Faith AI also includes creative tools like the Bible Story Image Creator. For example, I can enter, create a children's Bible lesson image for David and Goliath. This makes it easy to create faith-based visuals for lessons, children's ministry, social media, and digital products. You also get access to the Christian Video Creator. I'll type, create a 30-second Christian reel about trusting God. And there you go. Faith AI helps turn a simple, faith-based idea into engaging video content for your audience. Next, let's look at the DFY Library. Here, you can access ready-made faith-based resources that you can use, customize, or sell, including Christian content, graphics, product ideas, devotionals, prayer assets, and social media materials. Now let's move to the My Store. With just a few clicks, you can build a website for your ministry, devotional brand, Christian blog, prayer community, digital product store, or faith-based business. You can add your brand, logo, content, products, and connect your own payment gateways. Next, we have Manage Products. Here you can add and manage your Christian digital products or upload your own products. And with the Amazon Affiliate section, you can promote faith-based Amazon products like Christian books, study Bibles, journals, devotionals, gifts, and other helpful resources, while earning affiliate commissions. That's the power of Faith AI. It helps you create, inspire, and share God's Word faster, easier, and from one faith-focused platform.